Hey guys, thank you for coming to my channel. Please like, share, and subscribe if you're new. If you're not new, thank you for coming back. And stay tuned to see how I did these passion twists. They were super easy, super lightweight, super quick, very cute little style to do, especially when you don't want to do your hair. So starting off, just showing you guys what I have for materials. Gotta have oil for the scalp, a few clips, a rat tail comb, a brush, scissors possibly, and then most importantly, the hair. So I use the Ghana twists. They're called passion twists in the 18-inch 1B color. So moving forward, as you can see, starting out, I have pre-parted and did little mini twists in my hair prior to doing the passion twist. So I'm just showing you guys what it is, and now I'm doing a little dance or whatever, because you gotta listen to music while doing this to distract yourself. So right off the bat, I'm just gonna hop right in, undo the twist, and show you guys how I did the whole process. So I'm taking the twist and I'm gonna separate them because they're already pre-twisted, because initially they are crochet hair. And as you can see, I'm going to start detangling my hair. And then I'm using the Blueberry Bliss by Curls Edge Control. You can use whatever kind of styling pomade that you want, that has hold. But me, I have, I got coarse hair and it's low porosity, all of that. So I use something thicker that's gonna really hold my hair in place. So when I'm applying the edge control, I apply it like really well to my roots and then down the entire strand of my hair. So as you can see, that's what I'm showing you guys now. So now I'm taking the hair and I'm putting it up to my scalp, and I'm going to use my hair as the third strand to a braid. So I'm starting off these passion twists with a braid and then going down and then starting the twist. So as you can see, I started using my hair as the braid, and then I'm braiding all the way down, and I'm just gonna continue down. And once I reach the ending of my hair, I split the ends in two, and then that's where I begin the twist, kind of where the tips of my hair can kind of blend in easier. And then I just proceed to twist all the way down, just like you would do a regular rope twist. And then just continue that all the way down. I kind of twist it pretty tight just to get a certain kind of curl. I noticed when you twist them looser, the curls are they're fluffier, they're bigger. Whereas when you do them tighter, I don't know, it's almost like having a wash and go for your twists, low key. So now I'm starting with the second one, and I'm showing you guys that there's two ways to do these. If you don't want to start with the braid, you can just go straight off into the twist. And I'm going to split the hair in two. So same thing, measuring out the twist to make sure that the sides are even. So what I'm going to do is I'm taking the twist, putting it underneath my hair, if that makes any sense. And I'm aligning the two sides of the twist with the two pieces of my hair. So I'm going to grab one side and I'm going to twist it and just keep twisting it until it's taut on my scalp. So as you can see, I'm still twisting until, it gets kind of tighter. And right here, I tried to do you try to braid, in the other direction than you're used to. That didn't work out for me. So I'm going to take the part that I twisted, wrap it over the other part, and hand it off to my other hand, if that makes sense. So you can see and then continue on doing a regular twist. So I'm going to twist in my fingers, pass it off, twist it, pass it off, twist it, pass it off. And now I should be kind of showing you guys exactly how I do the rope twist, twisting it in my fingers, and then I use my middle finger to grab the other hair. And then I proceed doing it like that. And so now I'm just gonna, I'm just showing you guys how exactly, how I keep going. And so now you can see the comparison with, you know, starting the twist off from the jump versus braiding it. So now that my braids are done, I'm back again and I'm taking my foaming, is it called foaming lotion? Foaming something. You know, a little foam in the little ORS olive oil. You could get any type of, you can get any type of foam you want, right? And I'm spreading that all throughout my twist. Like, I'm being generous, you know, really to help hold my hair in place. And like, as you can see, I'm running out because I use this a lot. Like when my twists and everything start getting old, like sure as hell, I'm gonna be there pumping, pump it out, pump all this foam out into my head. So I'm using it, you know, at this point, honestly, I'm just trying to finish the bottle. So I'm just, you know, putting it on my head, and you know, that's really it. It's pretty self-explanatory. I don't necessarily put it too much down on the strands like I, you know, do just to hold it, but for the most part, the focus is on where my hair is going to be at. So after that, I am going to take a little more, put it on my edges, kind of focus it there, and use, you know, like a toothbrush or whatever you want to use, an edge brush, and really just kind of smooth out my edges kind of how I want them to lay. I typically don't do like a lot of baby hairs and all that stuff whenever I have like braids and things in, just because my hair slips out of braids really easily. So it just, doing all of that ends up, you know, pulling more hair out in the end anyway. So, you know, I just fix my edges up, you know, look a little cute, whatever. And then I use the wrap-its, those little wrapping strips, and I wrap it around my edges and, you know, the perimeter of my hair. I feel like these are really good because I don't know what they do, but they like soak up all this oil and blah, 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 I feel like. So, you know, that's what I'm using. And then on top of that, I'm just gonna lay my tie head, or as everybody else probably says, my silk scarf, not a tie head, on top of my head. And I'm gonna leave that for like, you know, 5-10 minutes. I'm pretty sure I left it for 10 minutes just to kind of let, you know, any flyaways or any hair that, I don't know, that doesn't want to stay in the twist, you know, kind of set and really, you know, lay down. You know what I'm saying? Like really, really lay down, because I got type 4 hair and my hair doesn't want to lay down. So I'm forcing it to do just that. So, you know, I'm back again. This is the finished look. I didn't pay too much attention on the evenness and straightness of the parts. I just kind of went with the flow. You know, you can do whatever you want, but that's really a quick, simple way to do passion twists. I hope you guys, you know, found this video helpful. I hope you liked it. I hope you like how the style looks. And, you know, I hope you get your own hair popping and done. So like, share, subscribe. See you guys in my next video. Bye.